Hello everyone, welcome to Blooming Dreams. I hope all of you are very well. I am your friend Aditi and today's video is about our steam railway travel with 1-year-old son.
Oh, beast of the beast shotটা দিলে
So let's get started. We are going to ride Embsay and Bolton Abbey steam railway. It is situated near Skipton in Yorkshire. So started our journey from Bradford to Skipton. The Embsay and Bolton Abbey steam railway built in 1888 and runs 4 miles between the award-winning station at Bolton Abbey and Embsay. Pawan! The stations, different carriage styles, coal smoke smells, staffs in their uniforms all helped to recreate memories gone by.
সিনেমা চলছে
Riding in the first class of Embsay and Bolton Abbey steam railway that beautifully restored Victorian and Edwardian carriages.
This is our coach, compartment 5. This is compartment 4, compartment 4, 3.
The train started from Embsay and it's raining. But you know, UK's weather is incredibly varied and unpredictable. The weather can change drastically. So let's hope for the best. It is a single line with a passing loop midline. It takes around 20 minutes to travel end to end with a 20-minute stop before returning to Embsay Station. The rural request stop, Holywell Halt, is a wonderful place to picnic.
ও কি সুন্দর সিরিয়াসলি মজা পেয়েছে
Enjoying a unique view of some of Yorkshire's finest countryside, where our eyes and ears thrill to the puffing and hissing of the steam engine and breathing the evocative smells of a real steam railway. It was an excellent day out, very beautiful scenery of Yorkshire dales to admire. We are going back to Skipton Station by walking to view the splendid countryside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Your view really inspires me to make another story. So please subscribe to my channel, like, share and press the bell icon to receive every upload. I am really thankful to you, my subscribers and viewers, for liking my stories. Keep showering your blessings this way and wait for the next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.